Hi guys, today I will show you people how I make my first song with my phone. Yes, I create a very hit song with just my phone. And let me remind you, let me give you a reminder. You don't always need a studio. You can do it with just your phone. Yes, in your house. And first, I will show you how to do it, but calm down. You can record song anywhere based on the background. You need a quiet place that no sound to record a hit song and a quality song with just your phone. I use the bandlap mobile app. You can get it on your app store, your play store. Very easy. Yes, bandlap mobile app, easy to use, easy, very understanding. And you need a very calm place to record a hit song. Yeah, let me show you how to get the process. It's very easy. You don't always need a studio to record a hit song. Yeah, let me show you. First, you will go to your play store. Go to your play store. Yes, download it. For me, I already have it in my phone. You can create your account, very easy to sign up. I will show you that later. And you can still make beats. You can still make beats through this bandlap app. You can still make beats. Yes, and you can use bandlap. This is a very important thing. I want to tell my fans. Yes, you can still use bandlap to distribute your song to all major platforms like Apple Music, Spotify, and you keep on 100% of the royalties, and it's free. You can use your bandlap to distribute your song for all platforms. Very easy. Yes, very easy. Now your head, you have to calm down. Everything I based on understanding. You understand? Yeah, let me show you the song. This is my first song I create. Yes. You can still make beats, but you can make beats with this app. Yeah, I will teach you that in my next video. If you want to learn how to make beats, you just comment. I will teach you in my next video. Yes. Pay attention, no. Pay attention to the song. Pay attention to the song. I don't know why you bless me. In the trenches we have plenty. I pray for one, you give me 30. You bless me, I'm trending. You throw me away from the dead things. You draw me closer like a dentist. Nobody for know what I'm inventing. I'm just thanking you for the blessings. Now you dey talk whenever they test me. The voice is so loud I can't escape it. My mom will be so proud cause I have made it. My kind of energy they can't explain it. The run down now I take me calm. My lifestyle is so I cannot fake calm. What do you guys think about that song? What do you guys think about that song? Very quality sound and cool sound. You can just listen it anywhere you are. Very quality. You have very good quality of the sound. That's why I love the app. It gives you a quality sound, like a studio sound. Like I recording in a studio. That's how the app do. Yes, very good app. You can use it. The process is not very long. People are I don't understand now. Yes, this is my platform, this my channel, is what I teach you how to create a good song. And if you know how I make my beat, where I get my beat from, I create it by myself through this same bandlap app. If you want to learn to create beats, just subscribe to my next video. I will be teaching people how to create beats. Yes, but I'm very professional in this bandlap creating of beats. Yes, I will teach you guys. Yes, one piece, subscribe to my next video. Peace out. Alright, see no more.